If you want to know how to actually trade full-time for a living and quit your 9-to-5 job, you're going to have to stop treating this like a hobby and start treating it like a high-level profession. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact habits that bridge the gap between amateur day traders, amateur swing traders, and professional day and swing traders. By watching this entire video, you aren't just going to be learning the strategy and the habits that will make you a pro, but you're also telling the YouTube algorithm that you're done with entertainment-style trading content that doesn't really teach you much, but makes you feel hopeful that you guys can achieve the goal someday. So in order to get all the information, please watch the entire video and let's get started. Now, the first habit that all professional traders have that most of you guys have heard about, but you just choose not to do it because it is a very tedious thing to do, is have a trading journal. I cannot stress how important this is. Nobody goes from not having any trading knowledge to becoming a full-time investor or day trader or swing trader without having some type of trading journal. It is all of your hard data that you need in order to be successful. They've done some audits over the past of a bunch of day traders that have actually made it to be full-time, and you are 3 times more likely to become a profitable long-term day trader if you just have a trading journal. Take the time to get it because, again, most retail traders will fail. Over 90% will fail, and that last little 10% that actually manages to make it, they go the extra mile. They treat this as a position. If you guys were starting a job, you guys were starting your own business. Let's think about this. If you guys were starting your own business, you guys would have some type of ledger to keep track of where the money is going, how much money you're making, how much the expenses are, and all of that stuff. If you guys don't do the same thing while trying to learn to be a day trader or a swing trader, this will not end well, and you will be like the rest of the pack, losing the majority of your money and going back to that 9-to-5 thinking of what could have been if I just had a little bit more discipline. You guys will have to treat that trade log like your corporate ledger, or this will not work. It will tell you exactly what's going well and what's going bad. And the beauty of a trading journal, if you guys see, hey, let me check on my trading journal for last week. Well, I have been very good over the past few months trading Microsoft breakouts. Well, if you're very good at that, but you suck, and I mean you suck at trading Tesla because Tesla's so much more volatile because of Elon Musk, well, why not, when you see those breakouts on Microsoft, why don't you just, in fact, only trade those because you have a history of success? And until you become successful with Tesla, you don't trade it. Maybe you paper trade it. That way your money is only going up, maybe some dips every now and then, but only going up, and you don't have to worry about all the volatility that will cause your overall account to go down with Tesla because you're not profitable enough. By having a trading journal, you're not going to be dealing with the blindness factor. When you guys look back at the last month and you see that your account is up or down, you want to have a clear idea of why it's up or why it's down. That way you guys can double down on those same strategies that have been giving you a good amount of capital or losing you a bunch of money. Think of it as another level of insurance just to make sure that you guys are making more money than you should be and you're losing less money than you are supposed to be, because traditionally, most of you guys are new are going to be losing a lot of money unless you guys are doing paper trading and stuff like that. However, it also is going to help you figure out when you hit that time where you want to quit your job and you want to go have your own home office, you want to have a TV behind you when you work, you want to have the speaker system, you want to have all the monitors, you want to have the big $5,000 PC setup, that's for gaming and trading. You guys have to understand if you guys are making enough money, especially because people seem to forget, and I learned this the hard way, when you quit your 9-to-5 job and you trade full time, you lose your insurance. You lose a lot of stuff that the corporate enterprise was paying for, and you guys have to be able to adjust for that, and you guys have to start making more money. If you guys try to rush making money because you're stressed about the finances, well, that's going to affect your discipline and a whole bunch of other stuff, which will lead to you losing money and having to go back to that 9-to-5 job, which is absolutely horrible because you're going to say, oh, I'm quitting because I'm a full-time investor now, I've been making money consistently for about a few months, few years, whatever it may be, and then you have to go back. That's not something you want to have to deal with. So by having that trading journal, you're going to have a clear, non-biased reflection of how you are doing in the market. You can plug that trading journal into AI and you can say, hey, am I good enough to quit my 9-to-5 job based off of all of my expenses, how I'm doing, how my portfolio looks? And most of the time it's going to say no. 99% of the time it's going to say no, because in reality, you're not ready to quit your 9-to-5 job, but this helps you hit that level a lot faster. So please do not forget about the trading journal. It is the most important thing you guys will ever use, but it is the most skipped upon thing because it is tedious work, and I understand it. But please don't skip it. You can use AI to download all of your trades for the week, upload them over to AI. AI can plug them into a Google Sheets or an Excel spreadsheet, and all of a sudden, you're good to go. AI is making it easier. Use the AI, become professional. It's a good way to go. Now, speaking of AI, this is something that you guys should really understand. You guys have to be doing weekly audits. If you guys can't do a weekly audit, at least do a monthly audit, because these audits are going to be your lifeline. What you guys are able to do is take all of that trading journal information, plug it into AI, and then you guys are going to have AI do the audit for you. which is exactly what you guys need, because I know a lot of you guys that have 9-to-5 jobs, you get home, you have to take care of the family, you have to hang with the family, you want to spend time with them, but maybe you can only learn how to trade on Saturday and Sunday, maybe because you only trade in cryptocurrencies, and that's just the unfortunate way that most people are forced to learn how to trade, right? But if you guys use ChatGPT, Claude is the best one, or Gemini, what you guys are going to be able to do is have, again, a non-biased entity looking at your work and telling you guys exactly what you're good at and exactly what you're bad at. You guys can also add to the prompt saying, hey, be extra critical of what mistakes I'm making in the market. Or if you guys have been looking at Bitcoin or the stock market or Forex markets, you can say, hey, this is what Gemini comes into play. I have this trading data right here. Can you see what happened that kind of led to my trades doing bad this week? If there was any excuses I could come up with, because sometimes your system worked out, your trading strategy was good, but a war happened, oil prices skyrocketed, something happened, a bad earnings report that indirectly caused you to lose money. Then it's your job to actually close those holes, I would say. And then next time you're looking at that trade, just remember, hey, this other earnings company caused a sympathy drop in my company. Let me make sure that no other companies that historically have sympathy drops are anywhere near their earnings reports, just to make sure I'm prepared. Those little things save you so much money, because a lot of people think that day trading and swing trading is just about making money. It's about minimizing your losses. A lot of you guys may make like $50,000 a year while day trading and while swing trading, but how good is that if you're losing $48,000 a year, right? You've only netted like $2,000. That's the key here. That's the key. And then meanwhile, your best friend that's, put like $5,000 into like a few different stocks and just held it all year, they're making more money than you overall, because they just bought once, held, then sold, instead of buy, sell, having good days, bad days. It's a nightmare if you guys are not moving all of the information into an AI model to look at it, have all the extra information there, and then just be aware of what's actually causing you to lose money on those trades where everything is there. Momentum is there, the trade setup is there, the breakout's there, volume is there, everything, but an outside source caused it. If you can find the patterns that are leading you to not be successful, and of course the patterns that are leading you to be successful, everything really starts to change. And again, I talk about patterns a lot because I have some autism and I have ADHD. All I do is look at patterns, which is kind of where I've been able to do pretty well trading for myself, because I can find the patterns, maybe not articulate them all the way to other people, but I can find the patterns and I can trade off of those patterns, which I think is very, very good. But here's something that you guys can always ask AI just to make sure. Based on my last 50, 25, 100 trades, what time of day do I have my highest drawdown? Analyze my emotional legs, what type of setups have been working for me, all that type of stuff. And when you ask AI, it makes a huge difference. But that's all for today's video. Please make sure to like and hype it up for me, pretty please. And please watch this again, because a lot of times you guys are going to hear Trading Journal, oh, hey, use AI. And I'll be making videos that kind of explain how to do this down the road. But please watch the entire video again if you guys have any questions. And of course, if you guys have questions, type them down below. I'm happy to help you guys out. Thanks. Hey everyone, today's sponsor is WEEX, a global crypto trading exchange where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, use futures and spot markets, and even copy expert traders, all from one secure platform. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks.